Crazy helicopter stunts defy gravity, pushing the boundaries of aerobatic spectacle. Skilled pilots maneuver these flying machines through mind-bending twists, turns, and spins, captivating audiences with adrenaline-pumping displays of precision and daring. From heart-stopping barrel rolls to jaw-dropping flips, these aerial acrobatics showcase the incredible agility and power of modern helicopters. The deafening roar of the rotor blades complements the visual spectacle, creating an immersive experience that leaves spectators in awe. These audacious stunts often require years of training, nerve-wracking precision, and a profound understanding of aviation dynamics, turning the sky into a canvas for gravity-defying artistry.